The demand for precise, compact thermal control is rising. Every year, electronics shrink, power density rises, and new systems push deeper into performance envelopes that depend on temperature stability. Across aerospace, medical systems, industrial sensing, optics, and advanced computing, companies are searching for reliable ways to cool, stabilize, and harvest energy from heat. Sheetak built CENTUM to meet that moment. Our work brings solid-state thermoelectrics to scale, with technology and manufacturing rooted entirely in the United States. The market is expanding, and our capability is expanding with it.
Sheetak is a thermal management company. We build thermoelectric devices. What this does is basically it puts us at the nexus of several industry megatrends. The one common feature is that all of this additional data generates a lot of heat, whether it's in the data center equipment or the networks or in the systems that are capturing and manipulating the data.
CENTUM spans a complete thermoelectric portfolio, from micro devices measured in millimeters to high-capacity single-stage and multi-stage modules, and energy harvesters that convert waste heat into usable power. These products support applications that need precision, stability, and compact integration. Our designs draw from both bulk and thin film materials, along with patented architectures that provide strong performance and long service life. Every device comes from engineering and manufacturing teams working side by side, which shortens development cycles and allows customers to move quickly.
The CENTUM portfolio, we have 4 families. Our latest one that we just released is the Micro CENTUM product line. That's for small form factor, compact, high performance cooling. We have 4 product SKUs in that product line, ranging from about 4 millimeters by 5 millimeters up to about 5 millimeters by 12 millimeters.
You can find CENTUM modules inside medical imaging tools, laser systems, high-performance optics, industrial sensors, data center hardware, and next-generation aerospace platforms. These are systems that depend on consistency, accuracy, and trust in their thermal hardware. Customers turn to Sheetak for US-based production, direct engineering support, and the ability to customize geometry, materials, or performance to their exact needs. This combination, backed by modern automation, positions CENTUM as a platform that can scale into both established and emerging markets.
And we can optimize the internal architecture to meet the needs of whatever the customer application is. So we can optimize around cooling, power, the efficiency, how much we can save in energy cost for the application in terms of how much we're cooling versus how much power the thermoelectric device takes, and in the temperature difference that the customer needs, whether it's single stage performance or 2-stage performance or other requirements that the customer has.
From a green perspective, our energy harvesters takes that excess heat and turns it into usable electricity. So we do both. We cool as well as we capture the electrical power from waste heat. In both cases, what we're doing is we're optimizing systems for better performance and longer life.
Inside our facility in Austin, manufacturing is built for volume, precision, and rapid change. Automation and inspection tools create consistent quality from one unit to the next, while flexible lines allow our team to shift between micro devices, single-stage modules, multi-stage coolers, and energy harvesters. Production volumes already support tens of thousands of units per month, with new lines and expanded space coming online to meet rising demand. Keeping engineering and manufacturing close enables design improvements to move into production without delay.
Combined, the team has over 100 years experience in just thermoelectric product design and manufacturing and expertise. In addition, we have a lot of experience in just the thermal management around the thermoelectric device itself, all the complementary components such as heat sinks, fans, and all the things that need to go to get the thermoelectric designed into the system.
The next phase of CENTUM is already in development. Devices are getting smaller, more efficient, and more tailored to specific applications. Advances in thin film materials and fabrication will move solid-state cooling and energy harvesting into new territory. As markets accelerate, Sheetak is investing in capability, scale, and innovation to stay ahead of what comes next.
We are the only major manufacturer that is US based. In these uncertain geopolitical times, we would recommend to all our customers that they at least have one US based vendor, us, on their approved vendor list to ensure continuity of their supply chain, and we are committed to meeting the needs of all our customers that want domestic product supply.
Advances in thin film materials and fabrication will move solid-state cooling and energy harvesting into new territory. As markets accelerate, Sheetak is investing in capability, scale, and innovation to stay ahead of what comes next. CENTUM is more than a product line. It is a scalable manufacturing platform and technology base designed to serve a market that is expanding rapidly across industry sectors. The product, the capability, and the timing are aligned to support Sheetak's next phase of growth. Learn more at sheetak.com.